Hello, my name is Pablo. I work in the IT department and I'm giving support to Alice. I'm going to present here the way that Alice does the distributed computing. The first image that I'm going to present is the image that we have on the back side. That is a view of all the sites that belong to Alice. On the center of the image we have CERN, where the central services are running, and the different planets are the different sites collaborating to Alice, rotating around them. The closer they are to the center, the more jobs they are running. And also, you can see the size of the planet represents the pledged resources that they have done to the system. In this image, we have the different sites that collaborate to Alice and the resources that they are providing. The sites that have a green dot, they mean that they are currently running. You can even click on any of them, and you will see a summary of what they have been doing over the last hour, day, week, month, or even the year, with the number of jobs that they have been running. The sites that have a red dot are at the moment down, they are not working properly, and you can also see the data transfers that are going on between the sites. You can see that the system is quite distributed, that all the sites are talking to each other.
I am working together with Pablo. My name is Patricia. I am working also for the LHC supporting the Alice experiment. And after he has already explained how the views in the grid are, I'm just going to show here two of the views of two typical events of Alice. So here what we have is just one display of one event, just one collision. This is a heavy ions collision, so you can understand how many particles you can have after such a collision. So this is a view of all the tracks that are generated after such a collision. They are passing through the different subdetectors of the Alice experiment. This is a very nice view. And here you have another view with different cuts and different views, frontal and also in front and in behind of this detector. So this is very important for the physicists because they can understand exactly which kind of particles they have, depending if they fall in the central chamber or electromagnetic calorimeter of the muon chambers at the end. So this is something very, very important and very useful for them.
My name is Fabrizio FURANO and I work for CERN IT in the grid support group. You can see here in the Alice stand this small presentation that we made about where Alice is and what it does. This is the map scrolling, and we dig into the pit to see the detector and to have a look at what it does in this visualization. This is the detector, the magnet, and what you can see around it. And later on, we move inside the detector to have a glance at what's happening inside and what the collision is and at what we are interested in this case. This is a collision. It looks like a firework, but it's actually a bunch of particles coming out from the main smash between the particles. We can see in a glance all the parts of the detector giving out their signals, and then this is what a collision looks like. So a bunch of traces of particles which are reconstructed, and all their parameters are calculated and submitted to the grid for processing.